this is how you make your own Nespresso pods. So you clean the Nespresso pods and take off the foil and wash it and dry it, and then you put it in here. You put this so that it will not make a mess. And you put the coffee. You use this so that you can press it. Take it off. And making sure that there's no coffee on the edge, or else the sticker is not going to adhere properly. And then you take out this foil. And you put it in there. And you use this to press against this to seal it. And there you go. Your own espresso pods. Bye-bye.